So I'll run through again the parameters of what this project required. So this is a project that's going on over at Banner, and it requires nurses to be able to view in a secured, encrypted way videos, either walking them through a procedure or a safety video, something along those lines. And then at the end of watching that video, they will be able to take a little quiz and then submit it, and there would be data that is retrieved as a result. So let me just see what I've got here. And depending on what I have or don't have, then I'll build this in real quick. Oh, I can't. I need to show you the project. Well, let me talk about it a little bit first. So one thing that this did is it piggybacked Twilio. In fact, let me open the project I was working on today for class. So it piggybacks Twilio with the descriptive text field. So I'm going to open up my designer, and I did this using our EKG form from class, but you could have done anything. So if I open up the design here, oh, no, I didn't. I did it in the consent. I apologize. So if I open up the consent form, you'll see I embedded a video, and I set it for inline so that it was automatically visible. And then underneath would be all your questions that you would answer, and then as a survey, because this is set up as a survey, you would send it out if somebody could fill it in as a survey. So you have entered all the people that you're going to send this out to. All your nurses are set up so that they have an email account, and you can find them here in the email. And then you grab the instrument that you want to send out, and you compose your survey invitations. Now, I don't know if you've ever used Twilio before, but once you've enabled it and set it up, you decide what your default setting should be to send out your survey. And in this case, you would select SMS, and you would send out the survey link, and each person would get their own customized survey link so that they could fill in information about the video, take the little test or whatever, and submit, and it would go into their particular account. So, I mean, that was just a little kind of fun thing that I thought I'd mention. And if you ever want to have somebody take a test on something that you're trying to instruct them, let's say you have students and you want them to view something, and there's all kinds of little tools that you can add to that. You can plug in external modules that sort of check how long you've been on the survey. I think that's another project that I did. I was going to demo at one point or another, so maybe next week I'll show that. That shows how long it takes on somebody's on a form. Anyway, that's it for me. So I think we'll go ahead and stop early.